Hey, Mr. Original. Hey, I fear who don't fear you.
You say they wise, you be mumu.
Oh God. Okay, landlord. Now everywhere you dey waka, I don't understand.
You dey do for my house.
Yeah!
I talk am. You no clear. You dey do juju for my house.
Okay, not be juju.
Shut up! I don't catch you. You want deny?
Okay, landlord, say not be juju.
Which river you dey? Which river you for come? You dey do juju for my house. For my house when I inherit. My papa no do juju. Me no do juju. You will be tenant. You come dey do juju for my house.
Please.
Eh? You dey do juju for my
Okay,
house.
landlord.
Who you wan kill? You no go fit kill me o. You no go fit kill me. I talk am. You no clear. How you take dey?
Okay,
So you dey do juju for my house.
okay, landlord, not be juju.
Who give you house na me? Then you wan kill me for my own house.
Okay, landlord, I say not be juju. You don't know. You don't even know what I dey do. You don't even want me to explain to you.
Abolo, I don catch you. I don catch you today. Your own don finish. You be bad person.
Okay, I'm not the type person, no.
So as you young so, you dey go native doctor.
Okay, landlord, not be juju. Make I explain to you.
I go expose you. I go expose you today. Your own don finish. For my house. You dey do juju for my house. Eh, Abolo? Eh? Abolo.
Okay, landlord.
Na here you dey?
I don't think I don't relax here small.
Eh. Abi your room don dey pursue you.
No, nothing like that.
You dey okay?
I don't think I don't relax.
Okay. Na you I come see. We get small talk.
Now wey landlord come sit down near me like this.
You know say for this house, na only you get sense. Na only you be the better person. And I see say for this house, na only you dey focused. And I like am. That's why I say me I come meet you. See you dey hear me. You know say that you know say today I see say you dey do juju. I don't know who you wan kill. I don't know who you wan tag. But I know say na better thing you wan do. Even if you do say na juju you dey do. But I come meet you say make you help me do small thing. You dey hear? You dey see that ball wey dem dey call rock for this house. And that girl wey be like man. I wan make you help me do something. Make dem dey obey me. Because dem no dey obey me. Can you believe that I carry that girl, that small girl, carry am come out. I buy food for am. I buy am cream. I even carry am go where she no know. If you don reach out now, make she come meet me for my room. She say no. She come even disgrace me because of that boy, Rock. And that boy wey dem dey call Rock, you no dey respect me. For my own house, you no dey respect me. And I see say na only you be the better person for this house. Please, so I wan make you help me do juju. Make dem dey obey me.
Okay, landlord. That thing wey you see say I dey do today.
No be juju. No be juju. Why you dey lie? Why you dey lie? I know say you no wan help me o. Because I know say we dey quarrel. But you know say I be your friend now. I be your friend. No worry. I go
Which
give
day
you.
landlord come become my friend?
I go give
Come
you
dey
3
shock me.
months. No worry, I will give you 3 months. If you do it for me, I will give you 3 months.
But landlord dey make
I know say
why
you
you
go fit do am.
why you no wan understand say
I
that thing wey
understand
you
you.
see me dey do today no be juju.
Na juju if you like make you kill anybody wey you wan kill, anybody wey you wan charm. But don't do that one for me. I go give you 3 months. Make you think about am. You hear? Even if e be say you dey vex for me, but this one, do am for me. No forget say I be your landlord o. You na my ten ant. And I because say I like you, you are the focused person in my house. Think about am.
Wetin I see today do small thing. I don pay that backyard fence. Just go pluck one small leaf. based on this my I tell you say this my shoulder style just dey pain me. Based on say sabi do those hair say dey do am. I just pluck am dey do am. See oga landlord just come back enter. He just dey shout people oga na he just dey shout say I dey do juju for im house, I dey do juju for im house, I dey do juju say me wan tire am. Na so be take tire im father wey im father no dey collect rent from me and he forget say im father still dey owe me 1 year 8 months. He dey shout na I come comot. No be as I just no be I tell you say I wan cook oil rice na. If I don cook the oil rice finish still dey relax still come meet me say make I do juju for am. Make take cash that girl wey be like man Osa yes.
Oh, your neighbor for that corner.
He even tell me say he go give me 3 months for my house.
I be free now. I be not be the landlord when he catch you say you dey do juju. Na him now want make you do juju for am.
Yes.
Problem not there.
Yes.
If he tell you say you do juju, tell us you do. We can say go ball.
But I no dey do juju na.
Leave all those one. How people wan sit for your head.
Oh.
You never dey there.
Okay, na now I get the code.
This one sit for your head.
No be lie.
We go just do am. We go call the account. We go put am in the account. We see as the matter wan be.
Yeah.
You understand? So people say the account dey fall from the track.
The try.
Do the work. That 3 months, we dey knack am before you know it's 6 months, 1 year.
You get say this landlord owe even too much. This landlord owe too much. Na wetin you fit am be this.
See, why you no dey for that?
Na wetin you fit. Na him make all this girl dey chop him money o. You see one girl wey break under there. E dey be like mahogany and so e be. I come dey look na like how landlord wan take knack this girl.
You don see.
The girl no even enter. The girl tell am say make give am 200,000. Now the girl put am for every place.
na the full house rent for them. How much you dey pay that time? If you gather the money, you pay 1 year, you carry a big money. You don't see the guy when he carry for something like this, make look at them about you get like 10 liters. He swap for ground, he turn back. Now when if you look at face, be like you will not wash it well. Now he say make a drama about leave am, that's the problem. See better office control. So right now, all those office one will dey sit, one will dey press.
Yeah.
First one, landlord.
No be there.
They are maga.
So na local. Landlord is now the maga.
Ezo.
We don't need to dey quarrel again.
Don't catch am.
We no dey quarrel with am again. Anything wey go just dey talk, we just dey follow am, we just dey dance to it too. He no go know wetin dey underground. No be lie. Me I bring oil beat for you now.
That's the deal.